Good morning, guys. Heck of a morning for an adventure. Go get yourself a cup of coffee. Let's go climb a mountain. Bloop. So we're here. There's bears around, so Alright guys, and here we go. Into the dark forest. It is in fact so dark that I had to take off my sunglasses. Let's take a quick look around here. Beautiful forest. So Mount Philo is a state park. Now it's not much for elevation. The mountain only going up about 960 feet. However, it promises a really beautiful view of Lake Champlain. Now up ahead of us, we got some really cool rock formations that the trail passes right in between. So let's go and take a quick look at this. Check this out. It's like passing a doorway. Right through a doorway. And up we go. So at the turn of the 20th century, G. Lewis and Associates, proprietors of Mount Philo, built a carriage road up this mountain. I assume for tourism reasons. So you could take a horse-drawn carriage right to the top of the mountain, where apparently there is an inn. So that'll be interesting to find up here. The rock formations up here are really cool to see. We'll see an animal face in that one. So by 1910, the Humphreys family had acquired this property. And by the middle 1920s, about 1926, the property was deeded over to the state of Vermont for recreational use. After that, the Civilian Conservation Corps took control of the land to maintain it. And we go up. I will say this much, the humidity is outstanding for Vermont at not even 9 o'clock in the morning. Oh goodness. Oh, what a nice trail this is. They give you this nice cut stone staircase. Look at that. Okay, we're gonna stay on the summit trail, but go ahead and try to pronounce that one. Say it out loud. I legitimately would have to practice saying that name before I try to say it on camera. So a little bit of geologic history of this place. The mountain was created by, like a lot of things around here, glacial movement when the ice age receded about 10,000 years ago and created Lake Champlain. This is what was cut out and left behind. And since then, the area was occupied by both the Mohawk Indians and the Abenaki, the local tribe to this region of Vermont. And the place was known as Massadenson. I believe they pronounce this place Massadenson. I believe that's the Abenaki word for it, for Rabbit Mountain. Imagine there's rabbits here. Would you look at that? We have a mountain view. So below you could see some, no doubt, very high dollar farmland. There are a few mountains out in the distance. Now in the far distance here, those are the Adirondacks in the state of New York. And between here and there, right around there, is Lake Champlain. So apparently that's our first view. It is not the summit. We go up. And here's the Mountaintop Lodge. Very pretty. Apparently you can reserve this place. Let's see if we can take a look inside. Very simple. So this is a nice little park, and it's a pretty easy climb for like a family outing. I got a little sign commemorating the CCC. That's nice. All right, we're gonna take the Rabbit Rock Trail, see where this one leads. Check this out in the woods here. Huh. Little fireplaces. Take a look at these old brick fireplaces. There's a few of them out in the woods here. There's another one right beyond that tree there. Now I'm assuming these were put in by the CCC about 100 years ago now. They're made of, looks like, brick and fieldstone. That's neat. I mean, I can't really imagine these things seeing much use. Here's another one totally overgrown. So guys, there really wasn't much to this hike. It was a very family-friendly little hike. Most anyone could do it if they're in moderately good shape. So remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more of these little micro adventures.